BULL stock analysis and BULL stock prediction in this quick short 1-minute video. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the stock trading space with 45,000 video track record and 5 years of experience. I've documented everything. I have proof of everything on my YouTube channel, you know, so I've seen what's kind of working for me and what's not. And all that to say, no doubt, even with Webull, all I was waiting for was a confirmation, which the idea of that confirmation is still not going to die out, right? The confirmation is only really going to matter in my eyes now because of the range that we had from here. So if I see a full candle close first above, it's going to be 1466. Then and only then I would look to take it further higher. Like me randomly buying, not the move, at least not for me. So, I mean, please do your own due diligence. Don't just blindly listen to me, but that's ultimately how things are looking like. And if you want to stay tuned, get free sauce, click the first link in the description. And I will obviously continue to keep you updated. So bye-bye.